Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome to my channel. Here we will be learning about web application development in Oracle database. So we will be learning about SQL, PLSQL, Oracle Apex, CSS3, JavaScript, HTML5, ReactJS and Oracle Jet. So all these things will help you to develop your web application actually. So the purpose to create this channel is just to make web application development easy for the beginners, so they will not hesitate to develop their own web application. So initially we will cover all the basic things of all these things, and later on we will learn about the vast thing in web application development. So in the whole process I need your support and your suggestions and your feedback. Actually your reaction means a lot to me, so please don't forget to comment your suggestion and feedback for each of my tutorial. And yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you before, for the as my introduction. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please like and share if you think that this is beneficial to you. And that is it I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the tutorial.